Hello guys, welcome to Queries Resolved. In today's segment, we'll see how to encrypt our disk drives present on our Windows 10 laptop or desktop without usage of any additional software. Well, before we begin into this video, let's check out the poll results for the question I asked in the previous video. The question in the previous video was that, what do you guys like the most in the videos that I make? And the options were voice of mine, the content, introduction to the video, or all of the above. So the total responses which I got for this video was 30, and 75% of you say that you like all the three things, that is my voice, content and the introduction. 16 say that they like the introduction of the video, and 9 say the content of the video. So thank you for your opinion guys, and I assure you that I'll improve myself to meet up to your requirements. So the question in today's poll is that, how many of you would like to watch the retakes that I take during making a video of mine? And trust me guys, there are many funny things out there that go on while I record my video. Now coming back to today's segment, in order to encrypt our disk drive, we'll be using the inbuilt software BitLocker. Well, BitLocker is available on most of the Windows OS platform and is mainly present in the Pro and Enterprise edition of the Windows 10. You may find it in Windows 7 as well. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we'll go to the search bar over here and type BitLocker, and we'll go over here and click Manage BitLocker. Here you find all the disk drive volumes present in your device. So based on your personal interest, you can choose the one which you want to encrypt. Well, you guys might think that why is it that important to use an encryption to any disk drive? The purpose of this varies from the usage of a person to person. If someone is carrying something confidential, it is advisable to encrypt the data so that it stays confidential. With BitLocker, you can not just encrypt your disk drive, but you can also connect your USB flash drive to your device and encrypt it as well. For now, we'll just focus on the disk drive. So I'll select my G drive and then click turn on BitLocker. In this box, we'll select the password option to unlock the drive and then enter our password, and then continue by clicking next over here. In case you forget the password, the BitLocker encryption provides a recovery key to the drive. Here it provides various options to access that recovery key in case you forget your password. You can either save it to your Microsoft account or save it to a USB flash drive that you connect to this device. You can also save it to a file at any location on your PC, or print the recovery key if you are connected to a printer. For now, I'll save this recovery key to a file, so I'll click over here and save it to desktop. Now continue by clicking next. So here you can choose how much of the disk space do you want to encrypt. Is it the only used space or the entire drive? I prefer encrypting the entire drive, so I'll select the second option and then click next. And final step, click on start encrypting. So the encryption of G drive is complete. We'll click on close. Now let's take a look at our encrypted disk drive. So we see here that the icon of this drive has changed and there's a lock symbol that symbolizes the encryption. We'll try opening it. The BitLocker box opens. Here you'll have to enter the password which you gave while registering the BitLocker encryption. Here below you find more options where in case you forget your password, you can enter the recovery key. I saved that recovery key onto my desktop, so we'll just look out at it. So the recovery key for the drive at present is this 48 character code. You can just copy this and then paste it in that recovery option. So this is like a backup in case you forget the password. For now, as we remember our password, we'll just enter it directly and then click on unlock. And we see that the lock pops out. We can open it and access our documents, files, folders and many more. So guys, this was one way to encrypt your disk drives or USB flash drives that you use on your device without usage of any additional software. I hope you liked this video and you must have found something new and unexpected from a laptop or desktop. So if you want to watch more of such videos, do subscribe to my channel. Please like the video if you found it useful and share this with your friends and family. That's all for today guys. This is Vikram Parikh signing off. Your queries, my solutions. Thank you.
Just look up, we're flying high with the stars. Go tonight is the night. Bright lights, hype crowd. Yeah, we leave the throw down. Everybody get loud. Tonight is the night.